Get acquainted with the 2022 Toyota Sienna. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 25,000 miles on the odometer. This Toyota Sienna has the features your family needs to make the most of every road trip. Safe, powerful, smooth, and quiet. It's a calm oasis in your busy life. Navigate the highways and byways in confidence, while the latest infotainment tech and creature comforts keep your passengers relaxed, connected, and entertained. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, moonroof, sun moonroof, satellite radio, power liftgate, lane keeping assist, backup camera, fog lamps, heated mirrors. You don't have to sacrifice driving pleasure to get the versatility your family needs. Come in and drive this refined and powerful Sienna. We'll make it the best part of your day.